Welcome back, truckers. This is a walk-around video for Sinotruk Hohan N7 Dropside cargo truck. Some details about the unit. Join me as I take a peek on the features of this good-looking truck. Hop in, we are about to start. Beyond ordinary. Economic excellence. Hohan N7 is a cost-effective heavy-duty truck product launched by Sinotruk which adopts standardized, modular and lightweight concepts and has good comfort, reliability and economy. Engine. High reliability, surging power, low consumption. Great adaptability of fuel oil makes it suitable for Philippines road condition, reduces maintenance and service fees with lower cost of using. Transmission. Classic, mature and reliable. SINOTRUK HOWO series transmissions are adopted, offering high capacity and reliable quality. Axle. Reliable axles for every application. Our innovative state-of-art engineering and our quality-driven plants in China bring to our axles outstanding performance and durability, fuel efficiency and noise behavior. Enjoy driving. Instrument switches and door switches are laid out reasonably. Optimized 4-point suspended suspension in cab, air seats with waist cushion and the slat wide berth make users to enjoy the driving pleasure of international and most high-end heavy trucks. High comfort. The interiors and exteriors stem from European design team, reflecting superior appreciation of beauty and presenting simplicity and elegance. The airbag seat with backrest cushion helps the driver find proper position to be seated quickly. The ergonomic integrated design of the safety belt and the seat avoids driver's sensation of suffocation caused by emergency braking during driving. Full-featured rear-view mirror with electric adjusting and electric heater defrosting functions guarantee the vehicle to operate under various working conditions from different view angles. Anti-slip boarding pedal and doors with 90 degrees opening degree make it convenient for the drivers to step inside. The layout inside the cabin is well laid with high-level ergonomic design. Liking what you see? Kindly give it a like, and for a full review of this Sinotruk Hohan N7 Dropside cargo truck, kindly subscribe. Now back to the walk around. For unit availability, questions and concerns, kindly contact Red Moahe Jr. on the numbers flashing on the screen or check the description box for more details. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to our channel for more updates, latest shipments and unit features on all truck types, brand new and pre-owned.